Yes, it hurts, but don't you dread. Life's a wave you learn to tread. Storms will pass, the sky will clear. Find your strength, now hold it near. In the dark where shadows play, there's a dawn to greet each day. Every tear that you let fall builds you up, makes you stand tall. Don't be scared, the pain won't stay. Feel it now, then let it sway. Heart will mend and bruises heal. Love will come and you'll feel real. Pain's a teacher, wise yet tough. Makes you bold, makes you rough. Hold on tight, the wind and rain. Sunshine follows after pain. Every sigh and broken dream, part of life, or so it seems. Each heartbreak just leaves a trace of wisdom lines upon your face.